Hi guys, rainy day. I've just taken the USB fan driven car apart, put the fan back in the box, taken the power unit off it, and I'm looking at what's left. And I thought, yeah, let's make it into a rubber band powered car. Just because I can. Obviously we can't get to the axle at either end at the moment, but with a minimal amount of change you can use the holes that were holding the USB fan in place. And we can now get to the axle. It'll be a bit flexible, so the car probably won't go very straight, but I should be able to attach a rubber band to the front there, along there, wrap it round the back axle, and we should have a rubber band powered car. So, get some rubber bands. These are Poundland ones, and well, yeah, they're cheap. Some people can never get their heads around how to join them together, and I do it all sorts of ways just to confuse people. But if we put one loop through the other loop, and then put that bit through that loop, and then just pull it, there we are, two rubber bands joined together. I'll do that again. So, rubber band through the loop, the other end through its own loop. Two joined together. We'll do one more. Probably don't need it, but we'll do one more. So, through there, through itself. Flip that back. So we've got four joined together. And if we want to join it to this end, we could do all sorts of clever things. But just pull that out of there, push that over there, and push that back in again. And then come around the outside. We are joined together. And then at this end, this car will actually run either way up, so it really doesn't matter. If we just wrap that round there so it goes over itself, there we go. And you don't want it tied onto there, it's got to come off so that it can freewheel. If it's tied on there, when it gets to the end, it starts wrapping up the opposite way round, and it stops itself, and then it starts going backwards. So we'll give this a run. Just another thought. Some people ask me why I never trim the ends off. Well, I would do if this was the only car I was going to make. But because I keep reusing the components for other cars, it's best if I can keep the barbecue skewer full length. But if you were doing this, then I would trim them off short, because otherwise they do tend to bang into things and catch on things at the other end of the run. So, here we go. Oh, we'll go wide angle. Easy. Do that the other way. under, over itself, holds it in place, round it up, point it, let it go. Now we'll see if we can hit the camera. Summary time. What have we got? We got a 3D printed back axle assembly, a 3D printed front axle assembly, a bit of 6mm dowel or wood, a couple of barbecue skewers or bamboo canes for the axles, 4 CDs for the wheels, and for this car I've actually used 3D printed hubs for those wheels because it just makes life easier. But you can make those quite easily using bottle caps, hot glued or even taped to the middle of the CDs to hold the axle in place. Oh, and of course we've used some rubber bands which I've just looped over there to hold it in place. I could actually go under there as well and that would actually hold it in place a bit better. That's it. It wasn't designed as a rubber band powered car, but it does work perfectly well as a rubber band powered car.